thing we're gonna make today is the bruschetta chicken from my new cookbook.
Bruschetta, honey.
Bruschetta. Sorry, my darling. Lose weight with your
I knew
Instant
you
Pot. And basically the idea behind this is I wanted to be able to hit the grocery store and then just get home and be able to dump it all in. So we use the little tomatoes in here.
Can you make this without an Instant Pot though? Could you make it in a slow cooker,
can.
in a Dutch oven, in a low oven?
I recommend in the oven, 350 degrees for 30 minutes. And I love it because it's all one pot, even in the oven or even in the Instant Pot.
That's great.
I don't like doing dishes. So what we've added here is
all right, so
our
green onions,
little
cherry tomatoes, garlic,
and then we add in our chicken.
Boneless, skinless chicken breast.
Yes, ma'am. And some water.
And put in a little water
A little bit of water. Now, if you're going to do it in the oven, skip the water. But you do need the water in a pressure cooker.
Well, because it's a pressure cooker.
Right. Because it's a pressure cooker. Exactly.
Yay!
So what we've got in here is we've got our chicken. Thank you.
Pop it on here.
Plate it away.
Lovely. And
then we're going to add some of the tomatoes.
Spoon over your tomatoes and garlic and broth.
Oh, the tomatoes would be my favorite part.
I know, right? So delicious. And then immediately top it with cheese so that it quickly melts.
Melts
now,
on
if you're
top.
doing this in the oven, stick it under the broiler. Oh my gosh. And then a little bit of basil.
Don't be cheap with the tomatoes.
I know, that's the best part. Hello.
Well, the basil's my favorite part, so.
Yum.
Add more basil.
All right, this is the one that's gonna freak you out. Tell them what you're making.
Mac and cheese, but not just regular mac and cheese, taco mac and cheese.
What?
Taco mac!
Oh, yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in our pasta. We're going to add in our milk.
Reduced fat, whole milk, skim milk. What kind of milk? Skim milk?
I prefer skim milk or almond milk, but it's whatever you have in the house. I mean, there'll be a little bit.
Skim milk.
Skim milk is great. There'll be a few more calories if you don't use the skim milk, but honestly, it's whatever you have in the house.
How long do you cook the noodles in there?
Only about 10 minutes.
That's called pasta.
Not in Tennessee.
Noodles
Not in Tennessee.
Noodles are a thing too, but they are separate things.
He just said noodles to 2 Italian women.
Oh my
You are
God.
brave, my friend.
I'm from the South.
So now we've got it all done, and I'm going to turn this around again because, you know, I've got my brain is fried trying to do it the other way around.
Noodles?
So now what we've got...
Pasta!
Pasta. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add, we've got some ground turkey, lots of onions and bell peppers, which are both metabolism boosting. We're going to toss this in and it'll help soften it a little bit.
Throw it in there.
And then...
I'm working it. I'm working it.
You know, we're doing taco mac and cheese, so we need some of our tomatoes.
Yum.
A little bit more cheese, and I like to keep a little bit back so that we can put this over the top as well.
Oh my God, it smells
You want to get
insane.
I know, right?
It smells so good.
And then some cilantro, my favorite.